This is recording. This is one of our videos. We're going to be taking out the 2-week-old babies. Put them down here and let them play. One of them is very, very hyper. She had 12 babies.
I think this is this one. Yeah, that's that one.
They're about how old then? 2 weeks? 2 weeks old then?
You mean a crab?
What? Monday they'll be 2 weeks old. And this is called the video Baby Mice. Put it down. You can't see it right, Nick. Nick! Stop making them scream.
Video the cat.
No cats in this video. This is called Baby Mice. And how many are there, Nick?
There are 12 of them.
One's trying to get back in. Okay, are they all out? Huh?
Yep.
Okay, let's count them as we put them back in. We'll grab one at a time. Here's one. This little guy. Oh, that's the jumpy one, the one that jumps everywhere. This one, oh, let's get that one. Put that one back in. That's one. Don't put it so close, they can't see it. There's one. There's two. One's going to jump. Got it. 4, 5,
6, 7, 8, 9, 10. What's the matter?
Are we missing a couple?
10, 11. 11.
Uh-oh.
Where's the 12?
Uh-oh, he keeps popping. I don't know, honey. Is he out?
12, where are you?
Let's go look in the... One of them doesn't want to stay in the nest. One of them keeps popping out. Uh-oh. Nick,
My turn.
put these back.
No.
Hold the thing like this so they don't...
Control it one day?
Here's our nest.
Can I control it?
We're taking the day off for Jim.
Can I control it?
It's Jim Day.
This is a cutie cat. This is a cute cat. And where's the other cat? Here's the cat room. Now this is the cat room. Here's the automatic feeder. Automatic feeder. I mean water. And here's Candy. The one that's a sleepyhead one. Oh, that was good.
Alright, turn it off now, Nick. It's too long.
Okay, how do we turn it off? How do we turn it?
Button.
What button?
The top button.
Delete?
No, the top button.
Which one?